This is me calling and reaching 424-229-0911. I phone a lot of people have told me they can't reach. If you can't reach my number from your BlackBerry, your iPhone, your landline, your business line, you can't reach it. You don't know if you'll reach 911 when your child needs them, and that's not newsworthy. That's why street justice is very necessary right now. And even if you find those videos distasteful, pass them along. I'm John Melton Brady. Come see me in person. Be a part of positive change, much needed change in America and worldwide. Stop the Barack Hussein Obama show.